Welcome to my YouTube channel, AutoMark. Today we're exploring one of the most significant unmanned aerial systems in modern military operations, the MQ-9 Reaper drone. This medium-altitude, long-endurance, remotely piloted aircraft has become synonymous with precision strike and persistent surveillance capabilities. As we move through 2026, the Reaper continues to evolve, with new sensors and weapons, maintaining its position as one of the most capable combat drones in the world. The MQ-9 Reaper was developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems in the early 2000s as a larger, more powerful successor to the MQ-1 Predator drone. While the Predator proved the concept of armed unmanned aircraft, the Reaper was designed from the outset as a hunter-killer platform, optimized for both intelligence gathering and precision strike missions. The first Reaper flew in 2001, and the aircraft entered operational service with the United States Air Force in 2007. What makes the MQ-9 Reaper so effective is its combination of endurance, payload capacity, and advanced sensors. The aircraft is powered by a Honeywell TPE-331-10 turboprop engine, producing 900 shaft horsepower. This allows the Reaper to carry up to 3,750 pounds of external stores on 6 hardpoints under the wings. The aircraft can fly for over 27 hours continuously at altitudes up to 50,000 feet, though typical operations occur between 25,000 and 30,000 feet. The sensor suite aboard the Reaper includes a multispectral targeting system with electro-optical and infrared cameras, laser designator, and laser illuminator. This allows operators to observe targets day or night and provide terminal guidance for munitions. Advanced communication systems allow the Reaper to transmit real-time video and data to ground stations and command centers. The weapons capability is impressive for an unmanned platform. The aircraft typically carries AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, highly accurate weapons designed for precision strikes. The Reaper can carry up to 4 Hellfires on each wing station. The aircraft can also deploy GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs and GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions. Now let's discuss the costs. The unit flyaway cost of an MQ-9 Reaper is approximately $18 to $20 million per aircraft as of 2026. A complete Reaper system, including 4 aircraft, ground control station, and satellite communication equipment, costs approximately $56 to $65 million. The cost per flight hour is around $5,000 to $6,000, making it far more economical than manned combat aircraft. The Reaper operates with a ground-based crew, including a pilot who controls takeoff, landing, and flight operations, and a sensor operator who manages the cameras and weapon systems. These crew members can be located thousands of miles away from the aircraft, operating via satellite links. Additional intelligence analysts monitor the video feeds and provide real-time analysis of what the sensors observe. The physical characteristics of the Reaper reflect its mission requirements. The aircraft has a wingspan of 66 feet and a length of 36 feet. Maximum takeoff weight is approximately 10,500 pounds. The aircraft can reach speeds up to 300 miles per hour, though typical cruising speed is around 230 miles per hour to maximize endurance. The Reaper has seen extensive combat use across Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and other conflict zones. The aircraft has conducted thousands of strikes against terrorist targets and provided persistent surveillance for ground operations. The ability to keep a Reaper overhead for hours provides commanders with continuous awareness of developments in their areas of operation. International sales have been significant, with countries including the United Kingdom, Italy, France, Spain, and several Middle Eastern nations operating Reapers. Export variants often feature modified sensor packages and weapons integration based on customer requirements. Looking ahead, the MQ-9 continues receiving upgrades, including improved sensors, expanded weapons capacity, and enhanced defensive systems. The aircraft remains a cornerstone of American and allied military operations worldwide. Thank you for watching AutoMark, and subscribe for more military technology content.